how to fix jitter and latency in Rainbow Six Siege. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix jitter and latency in Rainbow Six Siege. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix jitter and latency in Rainbow Six Siege, you have to follow these steps. Go to options in your top right corner. Go to graphics settings. Down graphics settings, maybe you want to lower the overall quality to something like high. Check the texture filtering, lower that a bit more. And all of these shading qualities that are on high, maybe you can set them to medium. After you've done that, try to go to your display settings, apply these changes of course, and then you can set your resolution. Maybe lower the resolution down and try to always play in full screen mode. If you're having more trouble, you can try to turn on VSync on one frame, let's say, or 2 frames if it's not working, but 1 frame should be alright. And then you can limit your FPS. But I don't recommend this as you can limit your FPS in your NVIDIA control panel settings. Field of view should be a bit higher though. This does not affect anything with your graphics settings, but it should be higher. Alright. And then you can click apply and down here by apply. You can see how much of your memory of your graphics card is used. Try to keep this within reasonable distance from the end. So you still have some space left over. Click apply and apply changes. There you go. Now your game should be running smoother. So that's how you can fix jitter and latency in Rainbow Six Siege. That's all for this video.